Good morning, everyone. Let's go to my work. I'm only walking, guys, here because my motor is not working now. That's why walking only. Go, go, go. Look at the roadway here, guys. It's not good. Yes. Please, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Let's go. The sunset now, guys, is very nice. Very nice sunset. For the first time I came my work, no ride my motor, guys. It's very far to riding the tricycle, waiting the tricycle. Oh my god. Before my mother's house. OMG. Every day I'm only like this. So walking only to go to my work. That's why I'm very tired. But it's okay. The most important, do you have work? So let's go. Let's go, everyone. Whew, let's ride me the tricycle. It's very far. Welcome to my vlog. Today is Wednesday. Fresh na fresh, Janeline. Because I'm going to my work. Help me.